Hello guys, in this video we are going to show you how to make a levitation type photograph. We are going to show you how to do the setup, how to take the pictures and how to do the edit. So it's actually a simple edit, and as you can see we are going to show you how we made this levitation type photograph. First we are going to make a simple sketch or a simple plan on what we are going to do. It's actually basically the main setup that we are going to do, so that we can do the setup looking at the sketch plan. Okay, let's start making the setup. Okay guys, now you can see this is the final setup we just did. So let me explain you briefly how we did this arrangement. For the placement of these strawberries, we have used a flexible stand like this, as you can see, and for the base setup we have exactly placed all the items according to our plan. This is a cup placement. As you can see, we have mainly used a phone holder and a ruler to hold the cup tight, and we have glued both the cup and the ruler using hot glue, and for extra strength we have used a nylon string. Okay, now let's see how we are going to take the pictures. To make this levitation photograph we are mainly using two pictures. One is only the main setup along with the strawberries. As for the second picture, we are taking the cup with the splash shots. Okay, let's see how to do the edit. It's a very simple edit, but you need a little bit of patience. So what we are going to do here is simply merging our two photographs together. As you can see, we have the main setup image here and the splash image. So first we are going to use layer masking to remove the bottom part of the splash shot, and then we are going to use clone tool plus spot healing brush tool to remove the unwanted parts. So let's start the edit now. Okay guys, I think you saw how we made that levitation photograph. You clearly saw how we did the setup, the arrangement of these items, and how we edited the images. I'm hoping to see you guys again with a new video. Take care.